Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to start an LLC. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser such as Google Chrome or Firefox and search for Taylor Brands. Now, open the official website and click on the Get Started button after entering your business name. Next, skip the first step and select the industry of your business. On the following steps, you will be asked to answer some personal or business-related questions, so just answer them one by one. After that, you will be prompted if you would like to create an LLC. Simply select LLC and proceed to the next step. Again, answer some questions about your business and then click on Form Your LLC. On the next screen, choose your business name, the state of your LLC, and then select a business plan. You will then be asked to enter your personal details. Fill them in and select "I'll handle it myself" on the next step. If you want to get an IN from Taylor Brands, you can do that as well, but in my case, I will leave it and proceed to the next step. Next, choose the Taylor Brands agent and select Keep My LLC Compliant, as this is one of the most crucial steps. You can then answer some questions like before. And a variety of paid plans will be displayed. Choose the preferred plan that meets your requirements and click on the Select button. Now, a summary will be displayed on your screen. Simply scroll to the bottom and select Proceed. Finally, connect your account and pay the fee to complete the process. So that's basically how you can start an LLC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.